Do you want to be the expert in house values and market bubbles when your friends start talking real estate in your next social event? Then you're in the right place, because in this video we're going to cover the latest MLS data from the Victoria Real Estate Board so people just like yourself know exactly what's going on. Whether you are a buyer, a seller, or an investor, it's always good to know where values are headed on the largest purchases that most people make in a lifetime. Before we dive into it, my name is Chris Cochran, 18-year veteran realtor. I help people just like you buy and sell and invest in Victoria real estate. Reach out, let's chat. All my contact details are in the comments below. So welcome back to another market update. This one is for May 2023. Today, we have some exciting news to share about the Victoria housing market. The latest statistics from the Victoria Real Estate Board have just been released, and they reveal some interesting trends that every consumer should be aware of. In this video, we'll break down the numbers and explain why they are important to both buyers and sellers. So let's dive right in. The spring market is in full swing in Victoria, and it's heating up just in time for summer. According to the Victoria Real Estate Board, a total of 775 properties were sold in 2023, and I am privileged to be part of 6 of those. That's a 1.8% increase compared to last May in 2022, and a significant 21.7% increase from April of this year. These numbers indicate a growing market and a positive trend for the region. It's great news for sellers, as increased sales activity means more opportunities to attract potential buyers and close more deals. And for buyers, it shows that there's a healthy inventory available, providing more options to choose from. Although in competitive price points, there are multiple offers happening regularly. I'm in one right now with clients. Looking at the breakdown, condominium sales experienced a slight decrease of 0.8% compared to last year, with 248 units sold. However, single-family home sales saw a significant boost of 8.7%, with 399 homes sold in May 2023. This indicates that the demand for detached properties remains strong, making it an attractive market for sellers in this category. Now let's talk about the inventory. At the end of May 2023, there were 2,189 active listings. This represents a 1.8% increase compared to April and substantial 21.7% increase compared to May 2022. The rise of inventory is a positive sign for buyers, as it offers them more options and better chance of finding their dream home. I also do want to caution buyers that do not just think that more inventory means easier to purchase, because well-priced homes are seeing multiple offers, and certain price categories are seeing more and more competitive bids all the time. However, it's important to note that well-priced properties are still in high demand in this competitive market. Buyers need to work closely with the real estate agents to act quickly and make well-informed decisions. So if you're a buyer, be prepared to move quickly when you find the right property, as the market is still very competitive and multiple offers are very commonplace. Now let's talk about home prices. The multiple listing service Home Price Index benchmark value of a single-family home in Victoria Core decreased by 8.9% in May 2022 compared to 2023. This means that the benchmark value dropped from 1.424 million to 1.297 million during this period. However, it's worth noting that these are slightly up from April's value of 1.295 million. Similarly, the benchmark value of a condo in the Victoria Core area decreased by 8.1% from May 2022 to May 2023. It went from 619,500 to 569,300. Nonetheless, there was a marginal increase from April's value of $564,000. These changes in benchmark values indicate a downward trend in home prices. While this may be a concern for sellers, it represents a fantastic opportunity for buyers. The decreased prices mean that buyers can potentially get more value for the money and enter the market at a more affordable level. However, I will caution you that the market trends are starting to go up. It's important to remember that the real estate markets are dynamic, and prices can fluctuate. The slight increase in benchmark values from April to May suggests that we're in a stabilizing market. It's essential to stay informed and work with a knowledgeable real estate agent who can provide you with the most up-to-date information and guide you through the buying and selling process. The chairman of the Victoria Real Estate Board, Graydon Soul, has highlighted the return of consumer confidence in the market. The increased inventory and growing sales numbers are indicators of a positive and optimistic market sentiment heading into June. Crate & Sol also cautioned that if the current lack of homes for sale persists and inventory doesn't increase, that there's a risk of a return to an overheated market and upward pressure on pricing. So what do these stats and trends indicate to you as a consumer? If you're a seller, the growing market and increased sales activity can work in your favor. It's an excellent time to list your property and attract potential buyers. However, it's crucial to price your property competitively to ensure a quick and successful sale. What we're seeing is either it sells in the first week or it sells months later. On the other hand, if you're a buyer, the increased inventory and downward trend in home prices is an opportunity to enter the market. Take advantage of the selection and availability and work closely with your real estate agent to find the best deals and make informed decisions. Overall, the May statistics from Victoria Real Estate Board indicate positive momentum in the market. The growing sales, increased inventory, and adjusted benchmark values all contribute to the dynamic and evolving real estate landscape. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, it's essential to stay informed, work with professionals, and seize the opportunities presented by these trends. So that's it for today, everyone. I just want to remind everyone, if you have a mortgage that's at a good rate, chances are it is a portable mortgage, so you can take that mortgage and put it on your next purchase. So please reach out if you want more information about real estate and how to solve complicated problems within real estate. My name is Chris Cochran.